I'm Shaina Correira, studying PGDM Big Data Analytics at Goa Institute of Management. GIM believes in nurturing well-rounded individuals who excel not only in their academic pursuits but also thrive in every aspect of their lives. Learning at GIM extends beyond our campus through leadership talks and guest lectures. We've had the privilege of interacting with industry leaders who share their invaluable insights and experiences, giving us a glimpse into the real-world applications of big data analytics. Life projects are a core part of our curriculum, which allow us to use our skills and knowledge on real projects and gain hands-on experience in solving the problems. This serves as a bridge between academia and the corporate world. Apart from academics, engaging in case study competitions and hackathons allows the students to use their academic knowledge to solve complex problems and business challenges. GIM offers to its students exclusive access to leading learning platforms such as LinkedIn Learning and Coursera, where the students can upskill and expand their knowledge. At GIM, true growth happens when education extends beyond classrooms, and that's where the vibrant array of clubs comes into play. Clubs such as the Marketing Club, the Finance Club, the Analytics Club is where we can discover our skills and connect with our peers. From various events that are organized by the clubs that foster leadership and teamwork, to the cultural festivals that celebrate diversity and creativity, to the insightful seminars and workshops, GIM believes in fostering holistic development.